Once upon a time, there was a home business academy that taught people how to find success. It had a great variety of tools and resources to help entrepreneurs achieve their dreams. They had a funnel builder tool, a traffic and conversion academy, and a supportive community of entrepreneurs that could help one another grow. The Home Business Academy had an impressive 80% residual commission, so anyone could make money right away and just for helping others. All the entrepreneurs had access to assistance 24/7, both on Facebook and Telegram, and there were 5 Grow Rich inspiration calls a week. But perhaps the most valuable resource was the 7 masterminds per week to connect with the community. It was with these masterminds that people shared their wisdom, traded stories, and worked towards success. Soon enough, the Home Business Academy became a go-to resource for entrepreneurs all over the world. Not only did it help them grow any business, it also helped them benefit from the Academy's own affiliate business. All was well until a harsh winter. Unfortunately, that year, a terrible snow made travel and business dealings almost impossible. Thankfully, the Home Business Academy knew exactly what to do. It organized 7 lifetime masterminds where people could ask questions, find mentors, and work together to create solutions. Thanks to these masterminds, the entrepreneurs of the Home Business Academy not only survived the winter unscathed, but also grew their businesses exponentially. Thanks to the Academy's dedication to creating success and helping one another, people of all backgrounds could achieve their goals and live happily ever after.